The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fond du Lac County in east-central Wisconsin, eastern Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, eastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rush Lake to near Randolph to near Plymouth, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fond du Lac, Beaver Dam, Waupun, Portage, Ripon, Berlin, Mayville, North Fond du Lac, Columbus, Horicon, Lomira, Partyville, Randolph, Fall River, Markeson, Oakfield, Rosendale, Ryo, Green Lake, and Brandon. People attending the Dodge County Fair and Beaver Dam should seek safe shelter immediately. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Horicon Marsh and Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.